Good evening, folks. Joe Baker with Trade Pilot Pro doing the S&P nightly pivot reports for you. After the bell, we had some horrible earnings out from Apple, American Express, Texas Instruments, Texas Instruments, Apple, Merck, and countless others. Obviously, it's going to be looking like a very bad day on the open. We will see if these shorts come in and start pounding away. We had a hell of a distribution day today. The sideways chop market, it was fairly evident they were doing some distribution. So somebody knew something. But we trade the numbers, and we have quite a bit because we chopped today. So we have a few extra lines in here. It's a busy little chart here. And what I do expect tomorrow is some chop between the 1254.50 and probably the 1248 area, because we've got 1254.50, 1252.50 is my line in the sand. That's my bullish above, bearish below. And then we got 1250.75 to the downside, and then 1248, 1248.50. So I do expect some chop area right in here because of all these pivots being right in here. Very similar to the way we did it today, chopping within this range, coming up to the high end of the range, going down to the low end of the range, working yourself back up to the high end and to the low end. It may be a tough day. It may be easy. They may try to bounce it on the open, or they may just dump it. It's anyone's best guess what they're going to do tomorrow. Obviously, with those earnings, they were fairly poor. So, we've got it in all sectors. We got it in the financial sector. We got it in the tech sector. We've got it in the banking sector. So in the drug sector. So it's gonna be a little tough. But at any rate, what we're doing is 1252.50. We're bullish above. We have a small pivot at 1254.50. So you want to make sure you get above that before you get too confident. Then we have one up here at 1258.50, 1262.50, and then 1265.50 starts our breakout extension. 1268.50, 1273.50, 1278 ultimate target. To the downside, we have underneath 1252.50, which is my line in the sand. We have 1250.75, 1248, 1244.50, 1240 and a quarter, 1237.75, 1235.25, 1228.50, and 1224 even. Again, these are our pivots. I've made these numbers bigger, so maybe you can pause the screen and jot them down. I do expect some area of consolidation again and some chop area in this range here. However, if we do get a solid break, look for the 1237.75 to be tested. Remember, folks, the 1240 is a big number. It has been, and it will continue to be. A close below 1240, and we start heading down towards that 1180 again. So let's see if we can hold this. If we can close above 1240, we'll still be in this 400-point range. But if we close underneath it, we start heading back towards the 1225, 1218, 1202 area. So I will be with you tomorrow night, and we will talk about it then. Take care, guys, and trade safe. Again, anyone who wants to learn and earn in our room, we go over all our indicators, what helps us stay on the right side of the trend. We display them in the room so you can see them freely. We have auto forks. We have our sync indicators, which is proprietary to Trade Pilot Pro. We also take live trades in the room, and we discuss how to trade them. It's a lot of fun, so if you'd like to stop by, just send me a note asking for a passcode, and I will send it along to you. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.